Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about Redmi 10 Prime. So let's start with the design. On the right spine we have power button and volume rockers. This power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the left spine you can see the SIM tray, up top IR blaster, speaker grill and 3.5mm jack and also secondary microphone. This side we have primary microphone, USB Type-C port and speaker grill. At the back, phone comes with this glossy finish. You can also see the camera module and Redmi branding. On the front, you get 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display which has 405 ppi and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and also 90Hz of screen refresh rate to make sure that you get good scrolling and display usage experience. For your smooth performance, you get MediaTek Helio G88 processor which works on 12nm fabrication, and for your multitasking, you get 6GB or 8GB of RAM. For battery, you get 6000 mAh massive battery which supports 18 watts of fast charging, and you also get some battery saving modes. On the camera side, you get quad camera setup which is 50, 8, 2 and 2. And on the front you get 8 megapixel front camera in this punch hole. All in all, a very good phone, and also for your software requirements you get MIUI with Android 11. So that's it about Redmi 10 Prime. Thanks for watching.